Hey there.
What's up?
Oh, starting to wonder if I took a wrong turn back there. So we're on the Brumley Gap Trail. I'm going to the channels out here in, what was it called?
Rosedale.
Rosedale, Virginia. Kind of near Lebanon and Abingdon area. The Brumley Gap Trail splits at some point up the road here, according to my hiking partners up here. All for Stone Mountain Adventures. Check them out on Facebook or their website, stonemountainadventures.com. But looking to have a nice little adventure today. Find some mushrooms and some plants, walk through the channels, maybe even find a couple of salamanders if we're lucky. So see you guys up the road.
Chanterelles and something else, and he said, "You better come get these because I fought 3 bears on my foraging trip."
It's a big sassafras. Well, and here we come to the fork in the road they were talking about. We're gonna go straight to the channels. Beautiful rhododendrons in bloom. She's a little pinker. Here's some right next to the trail.
Is this tea berry?
So here you've got jewelweed with the rounded edges, and they've got flowers growing with Canadian wood nettle. The wood nettle will sting you. I don't know if you can see the bristles here, but supposedly you can take the jewelweed and crush it up onto the sting of the stinging nettle and it will relieve it. That might be more of that tea berry, isn't it?
Not sure.
I don't see any flowers on them. Stopping under a rhododendron for a quick snack. Makes pretty awesome rain cover. Ooh, Indian pipe. Is it a monoflora unitropa?
Yeah, something like that.
Or monotropa uniflora? Yeah.
Dakota just run right by it.
This is my second favorite wild plant.
Ominous right there. So much fog.
Oh, that is cool.
Oh wow. So the channels out near Abingdon, Virginia. There's a moderate hike on the way up. Wasn't too awful bad. It's pretty gradual all the way up here to the channels. It's probably about 3 miles, give or take. Lots of ferns, lots of rhododendrons. Beautiful here during June and July whenever the rhododendrons are blooming. Lots of pipsissewa. Seen many kinds of mushrooms on the way up. So lots and lots of flora to look at and some birds to listen to. So the channels here are amazing. They're maze-like, so you might have difficulty if you're not good with direction. So be sure to maybe have somebody with you if you have problems with that. But otherwise, I encourage anybody to come out here and see this one day. It's maybe a, I don't know, 6 to 8 mile round trip back to the car. So come out and check it out. The channels in Abingdon.